symbol AVXL. This is another one, obviously, we looked at recently. Again, I bring this one up here because of the fact that we see these lines that I put here. These lines are starting to shift. Everything is starting to follow them. Literally, you see this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Following it, and then right here you see that I make that corner and I start heading back up. Why did I do that? Well, because I'm following this 10-day simple moving average, okay, and I'm following this 20-day simple moving average for it to bounce off of there. I would keep an eye on AVXL right now for a bounce, okay? I'm going off of the pattern that we've seen here 1, 2, 3 times. You go up, you come back down, you tap on that 20-day, you bounce back up. AVXL currently trading at $4.08. Add this one to your radar. I think that this one might have a potential for a few-day channel trade. Joe, do you got anything to add for AVXL? Anything recent?
What was the last time we went through it?
I'm looking through here. I can't find it.
No, okay. Well, they
AVXL, I'm sorry. We went through this one on December 12th. I just found it right here. So December 12th, we went through this one up here, okay? Right here where this big red candle is. That was on the third. Okay, no, we went through there on this this green candle day, okay? On the 12th. I said it was at $4.53. I said it was going to start heading down outside the Bollinger Band. And what happened there? Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, 6 days, 5 days of just falling through. Of course, perfectly normal, like I said. Perfectly normal, perfectly healthy. You come down here and literally, like I said, I drew these lines back here on the 12th. I'm not an expert. I'm not a guru. I don't claim to be. I just use charts. I try to get them around 80% right. Right, Joe? I mean, I always say that. I try to get around 80% right. I'll have my shit to beds like Strike Force, okay? I was wrong. I don't even want to talk about that ticker. I was wrong on that every damn time I looked at it. But that happens. It does happen. That happens. It does. But anyways, AVXL, we talked about here. It was way up here on this green. Green day, way up there, the highest it's been. And I said it was going to start pulling back. And then you had 5 days of the red, or pullback rather. Not all of them were red, but they're just pulling back, okay? But you followed that red line that I put on there. Followed that red line, and this 10-day simple moving average is following that red line back up. Goes to 20-day, and you're bouncing off of that 20-day. So I would pay attention to the next few days. Jobum, AVXL, $4.15 live. Thank you for adding that in there. Appreciate it. So, like I said, keep an eye on this one. I mean, we went 5 days off of what we looked at. And now, hey, you know what? The tide's changing. And now I think it might start heading back up. So, that's AVXL. Joe, was there any recent news on it since the 12th?
No, because I mean, on the 12th, that's when we went over it. And I'm assuming that I went through this press release that they issued. It was more or less just announcing that they were going to have a conference call and webcast on the 12th. So they obviously had that. And it was pretty much just going over their annual report. So I'm assuming that we went through it on that day. I mean, I could go and give you guys the corporate highlights if you'd like. I mean, they've done some things.
Well, I'm sure we went through it.
Just adding people and stuff. Yeah, me too.
So, yeah, we'll look for stuff that's recent. So, that is stock ticker symbol AVXL. Keep an eye on it. Like I said, you can go through my last AVXL and verify the stuff that we talked about. That's always a good point. InvestorsHangout.com/live to check out more.